Hello! Good morning, everyone. I'm a hot mess this morning. Making some more coffee with creamer this time. I am here, I promise. I'm here. Good morning. I am going to show you guys my tables. I am really crazy mess today. I just took a long, probably 45-minute bath. I was kind of feeling icky this morning, so I taught this morning from 4:30 until 7. So I taught 4 kids this morning how to speak English. So, and if you guys did not know this, that shook the whole thing. I do not speak Chinese. So I don't have to speak Chinese to teach the kids how to speak English. It's just English language strategies that we teach them for words that they already know. So it's pretty cool. But I am taking some Chinese classes, and I'm thinking about taking some Spanish classes too, just to learn a little bit more. Why not, right? Good morning, Audrey. All right, so I'm going to show you guys my tables. And then, well, first I'm going to make some coffee. So if you guys don't know about it, I'm just going to share it with you for a second. I have some Happy coffee. It's amazing. This is called Nitro, and it's like supposed to, it says nitric oxide relaxes and broadens blood vessels through vasodilation. This generates efficient blood flow, boosts nutrient and oxygen delivery, so it makes you super energetic, and it's all natural ingredients, so pretty exciting. And then I also have Smart Coffee, which is just the regular coffee, and I also have Happy Tea. So, and cocoa and lemonade. I got tons. So I'm just fixing myself another cup of coffee this morning. I only had a half of a cup, which is not enough, from 4:30 to 7. It got cold too fast, and I just wasn't feeling the black coffee today. I don't know. Do you guys ever have those days? So what I did is I put a full scoop of this powder into my cup just now, and then I use Italian sweet cream, and I just put it right on into my cup, and then I take my normal hazelnut coffee and I mix it all together, and that's how I make my Happy coffee. Whoops, wrong one. If you guys ever want to try some, I am willing to send you out some free samples. No problemo at all. I'll just let you help me pay for some shipping, because I have to ship out a little package deal. Otherwise, it bursts open in the mail, and it's not cool. So, no big deal. But if you want some Happy samples, let me know. The coffee, tea, lemonade, or cocoa triggers your brain to release happy hormones. So, who could not use some happy hormones? Who could not use happy hormones? Who... I don't know. My English is not on point today. So let's get right into saying the Pledge of Allegiance after I drink a little bit. And then I'll show you guys my tables. I don't have a topic I'm going over today, so I just don't feel like talking too much. Quarantine's getting to me, guys. Oh yeah, I can't sit. Stand up. Hand over your heart. Ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you for visiting with me today. It is beautiful outside. Let me just take you out for a second, because I took a really hot bath. The sun. So nice. I don't know if you guys know this, but Wyoming kind of feels like Every morning when I wake up, I go outside on my porch. Chill. I feel like literally like that's the way the sun, the heat from the sun, you know, when you're closer to the equator, that heat from the sun just makes you feel so warm, and like I think it also releases some happy hormones in your brain. What do you guys think? I think it does. Vitamin D, I mean, it's for you. Feel a sense of like um paradise. Go outside. So I'm taking, I have to put 2 more coats of polyurethane on them, and then they will be ready. So here they are. The sun's glaring on them, so they look kind of bad right now. But you can really see the knots from this angle. But look at how dark they are. They're really nice. Like I said, I have to put 2 more coats on and it'll be nice and clear. And the one table is all finished. And it's super soft. Yes, we got boxes because we're going to be packing. So the other table's really super soft. Riley! She just went outside looking for me. Come on, baby! How's everybody doing? All right, so I have a blind dog. And I had to bring this in because bugs kept sticking to it. So yes, I have a load of laundry right there I have to fold, and an empty Home Chef box. That's where we get our meals. We get our meals from Home Chef a couple times a month, not consistently because we choose to eat other things. Let me put my coffee down. That was a big gulp. All right, here is the finished table. Look at how clear that is. Oh, I'm gonna wait until the end of today to start using it just because. So I put the stuff on and then I let it dry for a little bit outside, but like I said, there was bugs starting to stick to it. And I was thinking I might put another coat on, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you think I should put one more coat on this, if you guys have ever done these. This is my first time ever redoing something like this. So the color before was like the color of this cardboard, and it was all scratched up and terrible looking. And now it's super soft. But like I said, I'm going to wait till probably this evening, unless I do decide to put another coat on it, to use it. I'm just gonna leave it right here. Like I said, I blocked this because it was a little bit sticky still last night when I brought it in, so my blind dog would have ran right into it, as she has done plenty of times in the past. I started to paint in here last year, and she started to, well, not started to. It was my fault because I clearly know she's blind. And she walked right into a tray of paint and walked all over my kitchen. But luckily, it was just hardwood floor, and I cleaned it right up, and it came right off because I caught it really early. And even if I wouldn't have, I would have been able to scrape it off. We've got nice plank laminate floors, so it probably would have been fine. But I caught it right away. I am blonde. What can I say? And she's only been blind for a year and a half, so it's still, you know, sometimes when I do stuff like that I haven't done in a long time, like paint, I don't even think about putting it away first before letting her out and walk around. All right, guys, that's all for today. We said the Pledge of Allegiance. I showed you how I make my happy coffee, and I showed you my tables. So, and I just realized this morning when I woke up that yesterday was Wednesday, and I had a topic that I was going to talk about with camels. Totally forgot. It's just not been a very normal last 2 days, so. But I got to work hard today. I got some documents I have to do for work, and start getting my stuff in my classroom packed up. So, I gotta start doing that. So, all right, I'll let you guys go. And it is Thursday already, and I have a meeting shortly here with my team at work. So, all my educators, fellow educators and teachers. So, I will see you guys later. And if you did not catch the Pledge of Allegiance, make sure you say hi when you guys hop on, and even if you're watching the replay, so I can say hello back. And you guys have a wonderful Thursday. And yeah, watch the replay and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you will never miss a day of the Pledge of Allegiance again. All right, have a good one. Bye.